Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. We are just about to break through further to the upside here. At least it looks like that. There are two possibilities how it could unfold now. We're talking about them. So far, Ethereum has very nicely adhered here to the bullish scenario. It has reached all targets. Here the wave 3, the wave 4, and now the wave 5 target. Now we're at a key decision point, but let's just remind ourselves where we are. Moved up from the low at 880, moved up in a wave 1, impulse, came down in a corrective wave 2, price target perfectly achieved for the wave 3 here, came down in a wave 4, that was a price target with a green reversal area defined up here, yeah, and then we reversed and now finished off a wave 5 maybe, or maybe that could even continue further. We're going to take a look at that. First of all, from the lower level wave counts, so it is definitely possible to count here now a 5-wave move. So we need to be on the lookout for retracement to the downside. By the way, today even we reached here that wave 4 target that I did define, yeah. However, we then moved up in a wave 5 and we really need to be on the lookout that this could be over now, this impulse to the upside. Now, there are now a few possibilities. So this in a wave 5, yeah, is enough to finish off this overall impulse to the upside. However, I have to be very honest with you, that wave 5 is still fairly short. I would like to see it develop a little bit higher. Yeah, I would like to see it go a little bit higher, and targets for that, yeah, would be sort of in the region here. I mean, I already talked about this $2013 level today, but ideally we would be looking here at the price range between the 2.382 Fibonacci extension at 1955 and the 2.618 extension at 2050. So this would be an ideal level for this wave 5 to finish. And for that, the price would need to move and pump, okay? I wouldn't rule out we even go higher, but that would be super bullish. So there's two possibilities. One possibility is that all of this, what we've seen here, was now a wave 1 of a wave 5. So you have your 5-wave move here. The 5-wave move, however, could have been only a wave 1 of this wave 5, which means we come down in a 2, go up in a 3, come down in a 4, move up in a 5 in this 5th wave. Yeah. In that scenario, what would we need to look out for? Well, in my opinion, decisive price action below that 1715 level, that swing low, would suggest that we get into this price range. And let me double check. Maybe I now need to move that area like slightly. Yes, I'm going to move it. That would be the range between 1622, the 38.2% fib level, and 1520. The 61.8% fib level. If we see the price drop below that, I would rather say, right, it's not this scenario. It's probably the scenario that we finish the large wave 5 here and we are going to come down much further. And the price target for that, and that would be the alternative, because primarily I would expect this to extend up a little bit more. We would then need to look here at a retracement. If the whole impulse is finished now in 5 waves, then we would be looking at a price, just take all these lines out here, then we would be looking at the area between 1444, the 38.2% fib level, and 1230. But I'd rather go all the way up to 1280. I would not want, in a bullish scenario, I don't really want the price to break below 1280 again. So we have two possibilities here. Either, if we see weakness, at the moment no evidence yet, but if there is weakness, we go below 1715 to go first here and then up. Primary expectation, or we go all the way here. Okay, and from there then we would really start the rocket ship. Okay, because that would then be the wave 2 here. So basically finish this entire impulse in a wave 1, coming down in a wave 2. From here we would start in a wave 3 that could move significantly then above $2,000. Yeah, that's brief update here about Ethereum. So this is now where it plays out, which scenario is going to play out. And ideally, generally, I would expect this wave 5 and would like to see this wave 5 actually to go up a little bit higher. The more we go up now, the more is the probability that we are indeed here in a breakout. That means then that the low for Ethereum was already in at 880. Okay, so hopefully you liked the update about Ethereum. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.